Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial. In today I'm going to show you how to invite guests in your Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do is to connect to your Notion web portal with your Notion account, or you can just open your Notion desktop application and follow these simple steps. So here I have a new page, and this page is the one where I want to invite guests here. So the thing that I need to do, or the thing that we need to do, is to go to the share button here. So here we can add people to join or to check our pages. So I'm going to click on share this page, and here we will find the first thing is the invite button. So basically all you need to do now is to add some email, example like that, at or address of anything, gmail.com for example. And so we have it like that, and here you will need to change the access options. So you can add permissions to your page. Either you give them the full access so they can edit and comment and also change things in your page, or you can just give them the comment permission. So here they can yes, let's say discard changes. So you give them the comment permission. So let's just have hello here. The only thing that they can do is to add a comment to your text like that, and add comment, and it will be visible by the reader of this page. So let's just click like that, and you will have their name or their email address here, and you can see the comments. Other thing that you can do is to give them only the view mode or the view access, so they can only view or see your content without any changes. So it is the reading mode without being able to customize your text or your page in general. And there is also the last mode, which is the can edit. So with the edit mode, they won't be able to share your pages, and they will be able to customize them, comment, and read your pages. So basically after that, you need to have like an email here, e.com for example. We have this one, then you will just click invite, and also you can choose either you want them to have like an access to all the workspace with all the pages, or you will give them only invitation for only this page. You click invite, and then this email will receive an invite mail in their mailbox, and after that they will be able to join your pages in Notion. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.